Hi everyone, I'm here with a different video today. I want to talk to you about Rebelle 7 Pro, and this is a digital painting program that is unbelievable. It creates like real unique watercolors and with drips and fantastic. I'm here to show you if you are a user of Rebelle or if you like to use Rebelle, you can certainly use my products with Rebelle as well. And I'll have more tutorials to show you. I would go to their website because every time they have sales and when they are launching like right now Rebelle at this time of this video, they just launched Rebelle 7. They do an incredible sale that I bought this program for like under 30 bucks. I think it's very affordable for the things that it does. There is a Rebelle 7 and Rebelle 7 Pro. Of course, some things that I'm showing you is with the Rebelle 7 Pro. So let's get it started. So you first have to come here to this fill, or you can press L on your keyboard. And another thing I want to say is, of course, for this program, it's better for you to use a pen tablet. I'm using the XP pen. So what is great about this is that Rebelle has oil and watercolor and pastels. So you can bring that texture to whatever pattern you want. And the great thing about Rebelle is that when you paint with watercolor, you're going to start to see it moving. Okay. And it's granulating over there, as you can see. So I'm going to go now to the fill or push L. I'm going to choose here one of my patterns. And I'm gonna come and put the pattern there, and then you can see there, because I used watercolor, is gonna melt over there. So let me dry the layer. Okay, and choose another one there, so you can see the pattern there. Okay, so isn't that amazing? And then I can come here on the blend tool and I blend this here, or you can put more watercolor on top. So I can now maybe come with a light watercolor again. If I put drips, then it's gonna drip. So gray drips, and then I put more drips, and then you can start to see the drips going. Okay, so I'm gonna dry the layer, and let's try with pastels. I'm gonna start a new layer. Pastels. I'm gonna get this oval here. I'm gonna start over here. Just pastels and soft. And I'm gonna come here with the blender and blend with some textures. Very blendy. Okay, so now again I can go to fill and put another texture there. It's very faint, so there we go. I wanted to show you how you can use my stencils for, I have a Photoshop and Procreate here on Rebelle. And what is cool about Rebelle is that the stencils really look like real stencils. So you have here stencils, and you can go also here and choose stencil, which is F10. In Rebelle, this is the activate window. I don't have anything because I have first to choose from the library. So in the library here, I loaded my stencils, as you can see here. You go to import stencils, and I don't think I have my set 3, and you're going to choose the PNG, and you can put one or all of them, and you're going to sit open, and then you're going to see that they are always on the top of your library. So if I want to work with one of them, I'm going to first choose it, double click, and it's going to go now to my activate window here, okay, of this stencil. So you can see there. So to start using, you have to tap on that one. I can close the library, and as you can see here, it's a mask. But if you go here, because it's the way I painted this one, if you go to invert, you're gonna see that works as a stencil. If I choose one that I can show you how it comes out, so I can backspace this one and put this one, and it's going to invert, and you can see that. Okay, so let's try this one here. This one you can see it comes out. It all depends on the way that I drew them. So on this one, I'm gonna come. So you can put on the whole canvas. Here when you click here, you can flip, create just a border, a tile. You can lock it, all kinds of things. Okay. So now we choose our medium. I'm gonna close the library for now. So I have these 3 activate stencils here. So I can come here with the flat dry or maybe the splatter. Let's go with the splatter, and I'm gonna do a dark color so you can see. So when you start, using it, and if now I remove my stencil, you can see there. Isn't that amazing? And now let me go here to this one. I can, not this one, maybe this one. I'm gonna use acrylics. So let's go to a filbert, or maybe grunge, and now I'm gonna go to purple. Make it bigger. And I can highlight it again, bring to the other side. So now let me show you here with this piece that I painted before. So I can go to my library. I can do like this one. Again, activate it, put the stencil there, and I'm gonna go with pastels and some spatter. Okay, if I want to invert, I'm gonna select the stencil again, invert, and I'll have a different kind of effect now with the stencil. Okay, so I select again, backspace, and now you can see there the difference. So you can create that great background doing some abstract painting with Rebelle. So again, you can use all my stencils loading. If you have more questions, let me know. I'll see you next time.